Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So hey guys, today we're going to do a unboxing a newer condenser microphone. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started! So there you go guys, so I have here a microphone which is the newer condenser microphone kit. So again, we have here a stable, it's low noise, it's portable. And again, let's see and what's in a box. Let's find out. So again guys, this product, I bought it in online, and this is about $27 Canadian, and there you go. So what's in the box is I have this manual. There you go. So I have no time again to read this manual. Put the one there. Have some certification, whatever is this. Let's put it there. So first we have the foam for the microphone. They have the cord. So this is the one goes to my V8. I'm gonna have a V8, and then this one here to your microphone. And okay, and I have this like a frame for your microphone. It's beautiful guys. This is nice to put it on your boom microphone, and you can put your microphone, we'll see. So I got that one. They have this, I don't need that one. So here's the master. So again, this is the shockproof. This is shockproof stand for your microphone, and again, this one is the microphone. Beautiful. This is the NW-800 microphone. Beautiful guys. Look at that. It's black and silver. Wow, nice one. There you go. So, but again, the cord is about 2.5 wire, and then this is the it's a 1.5 meter wire of this cord, and they have also a windproof cover foam. So all you have to do is to put this one in here. If you don't have a filter or whatever, you can put this one in. Hello microphone, hello. Okay, see. So but again guys, this is an awesome microphone. Basically, I'm so excited to use this one. Nice, beautiful, so beautiful. So the price is, I think the price is right for this microphone. I know it's a cheap microphone, but I saw it, more people are using this on some of their podcasts. So yeah, that's it. But it's beautiful guys. To be honest with you, it's so beautiful. And all you have to do is to put your microphone here inside. I don't know. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. So when you put this microphone in, they have something here to press it. You can press this one, and all you have to do is to put your microphone in. Oops. Put your microphone in, and that's it. There you go. You can start microphone. Hello, 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 hello. Shout out everyone. Yeah, it's beautiful microphone guys. Basically it's the price is right. $27 is so cheap, and this is nice for podcast. And I have a I didn't order a kit for this for the with the boom and the filter because I already have one. All I have to do is to use this one, and we'll see. But it's beautiful. Look at that. See that? Nice. Perfect. Beautiful microphone. I like it. So but again guys, I hope you can tune in on my channel, and for my next video I'm going to do a test on this microphone, but at the moment I'll just do a unboxing this microphone. But again, as you can see, it's really good one. I like the shockproof stand that they have. It's really good. They have like a rubber kind of in here, and then the microphone itself. And again, it's a 2.5 meters wire, cable wire, so it's pretty long. It's pretty long. Nice one. So again guys, I have lots of videos on unboxing on this channel. I hope you can watch on my my previous videos, and you can watch if you like for other products that I do some unboxing. And again, I will do the test on this microphone on my next vlog probably, and I hope you can tune in on my channel. And I think that's about it for now. It's no more, there's not much more to unbox this because I got only this part. So, but again, I hope you enjoy my unboxing here with this microphone, the Neewer NW-800. So, but again guys, this is NoyTebs. Thank you so much again for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.